Hi everybody. For those of you who can't make it to class today, missed the 9 o'clock class or can't get here later on today, I wanted to show you what I shared with the 9 o'clock class. I've got a sample of how the test is going to be laid out in the quizzes, test, and final module on As You Learn. So when you click on that, you'll see when you open it up that it's got the verbiage from the handouts that I've given you in class for previous tests, 10 points for the bulleted list of musical elements, and then 15 points for a paragraph or two about the cultural context. You're going to click on the hyperlinked line for the score, and it'll come up in another tab so you can see that, and then the listing will be embedded into the question. Right, so you'll be able to listen to it here and watch the score. The other thing that you should be aware of too is that the points are just a little bit off. There's 15 points that that were supposed to be part of the quizzes that are not there, and everybody's just going to get those 15 points. I'm going to add those into everyone's grades. So my plan is by Thursday afternoon, all grades will be in, so you'll know where you are. There are going to be 5 examples that you can take for the final. You don't have to do them all. If you're feeling really good about the ones that you've done, you can stop when you know that you can have enough points to get the grade that you want for the class. So, because it's just a point average, it'll be 500 points, and the range is in the syllabus for how many points you need for each thing. Just go back to that. So if you look in the syllabus, you'll see that where this range is. So 470 points to 500 is an A, and then you see where it goes down to A minus, B plus, and so on. Okay? So feel free to email me if you have any questions. Be careful, don't do anything crazy, and I will see you later.